Hello friends, today we have discussed about the foundation and history of artificial intelligence. So foundation and history of artificial intelligence. So what is the artificial intelligence? So from where which origin that is started? So that are the basics. From basics that is artificial intelligence related history from 1923. We have been the Romer's universal robots. The now word is the robot. First used in English dictionary. The first robot word used in 1923. After that, the neural network that is layout just on behalf of the human brain networks that are the neurons. How neurons are connected, how they are transferring the messages, they are forwarding the information, the layout, the everything they have found. On behalf of these, the 1943 the neural networks is laid out. In 1945, the Isaac proposed a word that is robotics. The word is robotics that is proposed by Isan, that is a Columbia University alumni that coined the word that is a robotics in 1945. In 1950, a very important concept that is in 1950 very important concept that is Alan Turing proposed, that is Turing test. In this concept you are just checking the machine is intelligent or not. How much intelligence is that? Means machine's intelligence is check. How you can compare the machine is intelligence means they are liking the behavior just like human body or not. On behalf of this, you just perform that machine is intelligent or not. On behalf of this, you can program that particular machines. So that are the in 1953. After that 1956, John McCarthy have proposed the artificial intelligence. That is the word used as AI. Means what is the word AI? Means in 1956, corresponding the John McCarthy, they have also proposed their definitions. That is science and engineering regarding the creating the intelligent devices. How you have measured the intelligent devices on behalf of the by using the Turing test. Turing test just saying that as proposed in the Alan Turing in 1950, they are that devices are that devices is intelligent or not. Similarly, so in 1950. In 1958, John McCarthy again proposed the Ellipse, that is the programming language for the artificial intelligence. They proposed regarding the programming, how you have write down the programs for the artificial intelligence. In 1964, the MIT shows that the computer can understand the natural languages well enough to solve the algebra problems. What are the natural languages are there? Natural languages are there. Whatever you have speech, text to speech, speech to text, different conversions of languages like Hindi, English, English to Urdu, Urdu to Japanese, Japanese to Hindi. That are the natural languages. How they can understand? Machines can understand such type of languages, speak to text and text to speech, and after that they can compute this. So in 1965, Joseph Hagan in MIT built a Elijah. Elijah just have a robotics terms that is used from dialogue in English. In 1969, the Stanford scientists they are proposing a Psyche. Psyche is just a robot name. That is a robot that is locomotion. They are performing left, right, up, down, front, back, everything they have performed. So such type of robot is proposed in 1969 by the Stanford researcher Institute of Development. In 1973, the Assembly Robotics group at Edinburgh University built the PEDI and famous Scottish robots capable of using the vision to locate and assemble models. In 1979, the first computer-controlled autonomous vehicles, Stanford Cart, was built. In 1985, the major discussions of the uh, program have demonstrated by the Harold Cohen as a significant demonstration in machine learning, case-based reasoning, build agent planning, scheduling. A lot of things are doing in 1985. In 1990, 1990s, a lot of things are doing like data mining, web browser, everything that are doing. In 1997, the Deep Blue Chess, that are the just game playing things that is designed by the Gary Kasparov to play the chess with real world players, and they so that the real player lose the game with that particular chess. That particular chess is designed on behalf of the player, different player opinion, how they have moved their different items, how they can move, how they can proceed to playing the chess. So on behalf of this, Deep Blue chess is designed. They have programmed, and that particular chess is de facto real players. In year 2000, interactive robot pets becomes commercially available. That is for the commercial application, different applications. That are the history of AI. That are 1943 evolutions in 1987, 1983 second AI winner. After that 1950s, that is Turing test 1956, birth of AI. Then 1966, that is first chatbot Elijah. 1970, first intelligent robots Webot in 1974. That is first AI winter. 1980s expert system. 1997, that is IBM Deep Blue. And 2002, that is AI in home Romania. 2011, IBM Boston. For which 2012, that is Google now, that is you have searched for the path. In 2014, that is chatbot Engon Glassnoon wins Turing test. And 2015, Amazon Echo. That are the history of artificial intelligence, how they have designed. So that is the history.